Good morning students. Today we will start our new topic, sum of the length of two sides of a triangle. So before start the exercise 6.4, so we have to learn about this property. किस property की? The sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Suppose that this is a triangle named ABC. Alright. The property is sum of the length of two sides. Sum means plus करना. Length of a two sides of a triangle. We know that in a triangle there are always three sides. ठीक है? So if you have to add any two sides, ठीक है? अगर तुसी किसी भी दो sides को add करोगे, then what? It is greater than the third side. ठीक है? If the sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, then the triangle is possible. उस केस में भी ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल होगा. ऑलराइट, सपोज लेंथ ऑफ AB साइड इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ ऑफ BC साइड इज 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड लेंथ ऑफ दिस AC साइड इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. ऑलराइट, सो वी हैव टू चेक दैट दिस ट्रायंगल हैविंग दिस साइड इज पॉसिबल और दिस हैविंग दिस लेंथ इज पॉसिबल और नॉट. ठीक है, इस लेंथ तक अगर कोई ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है या नहीं, वी हैव टू चेक यूजिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी. Alright, so first you can write the length of sides. AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, and CA is how much? 5 centimeter. So first you can add these two sides, this AB and this BC. Alright, AB plus BC. After that, BC plus CA, and last one is CA plus AB. Alright. If the sum of these two sides is greater than the third side, then the triangle is possible. Clear? So the first AB plus BC is greater than CA, BC plus CA is greater than AB, and ACA plus AB is greater than BC. So the length of AB side is how much? It is 3 centimeter. 3 plus BC. Length of BC is 4, and CA is 5. So you can check here, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is greater than 5 or not? Yes. It means this first condition satisfies the this triangle. Alright. Second, BC plus CA greater than AB. BC, length of BC is 4, length of CA is 5, and AB is how much? 3. So you can see here 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is greater than 3. Yes. Again, this condition satisfied. Next, CA plus AB. CA is 5, AB is how much? 3, and BC is 4. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is again greater than 4. Yes. It means तीनों conditions satisfy कर रही हैं. ठीक है? That's why a triangle is possible having these three sides, 3, 4 and 5. ठीक है? अगर कोई भी condition मतलब मान लो false आ गई, ठीक है? Suppose कर लेते हैं less आ गई, कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रही, तो उस साइड्स का ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर इक्वल भी आ गया, सपोज कर इक्वल टू भी आ गया, मतलब 3 plus 4 5 9 और इसे भी 9 है अदर साइड्स, तो ए भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगी. ऑलराइट, इसका की प्रॉपर्टी की है, द सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. हमेशा ग्रेटर होगी थर्ड साइड. Clear students? So this is your next property. Now start the example. So next example number 3 is there a triangle whose sides have lengths 10.2 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So in the question they ask, as a कोई triangle possible है जिसकी 3 sides से होंगे. So we can check using property which one? The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. ठीक है? So you can draw a roughly triangle. Name it ABC. Alright. Name this AB side, and this length is 10.2 centimeter. Take this length of BC side is 5.3 centimeter, and the third side AC, take its length as 4.5 centimeter. Clear students? Now first you can add these two sides, AB and BC. Alright, if AB plus BC is greater than AC, then it is true. Yes. Next, if will check this BC plus AC, it is greater than AB. Third is AC plus AB, it is greater than BC. If all the three conditions satisfy, then the triangle is possible, having these three sides. Alright. So first you can add AB plus BC is greater than BC. Next, which one? BC plus AC is greater than AB. And the third one is AC plus AB greater than BC. Clear? So the length of AB side is how much? 10.2. Length of BC side is 5.8. So 10.2 plus 5.8, how much? 10.2 plus 5.8 is 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6, 16. 16.0, you can write only 16. So the 16 is greater than this 4.5. Yes, 16 centimeter is greater than 4.5. So the first condition satisfied. Next, BC plus AC. Then length of side BC is 5.8 and the length of AC is 4.5. So 5.8 plus 4.5 is 8 plus 5, 13. 3, 1 carry. 5 plus 5, 10. 10.3. So length of AB is how much? 10.2. So you can see here 10.3 is greater than 10.2. Yes. Next, length of AC side is how much? 4.5. And length of AB side is 10.2. So 4.5 plus 10.2. How much? 5 plus 2, 7. And 10 plus 4, 14. And the length of side BC is 5.8. So you can see here 14.7 is again greater than 5.8. Yes. So all these three conditions satisfy. That's why the triangle should be possible having these three lengths. 10.2, 5.8 and 4.5. Alright student. So this is example number 3rd. The next example 4th is the length of two sides of a triangle are 6 cm and 8 cm. So there is given length of two sides of a triangle. We have to find what? Between which two numbers can length of third side fall? So पूछे कि third side केड़े दो numbers दे विच condition मतलब satisfy करोगे. We have to find that two numbers in which third side fall. Alright. So we know that the property is the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Therefore, the third side should not be more than sum of these two length. मतलब ਜਿਹੜੀ third side है, इनमें दोनों की sum तो greater तो नहीं होगी, ठीक है? It should be less than sum of these two numbers. क्योंकि property की है, the sum of length of two side is greater than third side. Third side तो दो sides का sum greater होगा, ठीक है? इस करके ਜਿਹੜੀ third side है, इनमें दोनों के sum तो की होगी less होगी. Therefore, the third side is less than 8 plus 6, that is 14 centimeter. Alright student? Because the sum of two sides is greater than third side. That's why the third side is less than the sum of this 8 and 6, that is 14 centimeter. इसका मतलब ये third side है वो 14 centimeter तो की होगी less होगी. And the sum and the third side is greater than the difference of these two numbers. ठीक है, एक तो नंबर अपने फाइंड करने की इस 14 सेंटीमीटर तो थर्ड साइड लेस होगी, बट तो मोर की तो होगी कि तो ग्रेटर होगी किस नंबर तो. सो दैट नंबर इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू लेंथ्स. ऑलराइट, द थर्ड साइड इज नॉट लेस देन 8 minus 6. The third side is less than 14 centimeter, but it should not be less than the difference of these two numbers also. So 8 minus 6 is how much? 2 centimeter. It means the third side is more than 2 centimeter and less than 14 centimeter. Therefore, the third side of a triangle is more than 2 centimeter and less than 14 सेंटीमीटर। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? यदि थर्ड साइड है 2 सेंटीमीटर तो ज़्यादा हो सकती है, चाहे 3 हो, 4, 5, 6, ठीक है, एंड लेस देन 14 सेंटीमीटर, और 14 सेंटीमीटर तो लेस हो। Clear students? So this is example number 4. Now the exercise 6.4 is your homework. So first you have to try yourself. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you.